Hey YT family, it's Doll Baby 4400. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, I hope you guys will stay and subscribe. And to my old riders, love you guys bunches. So it's early in the morning, guys, and I am up. And while I'm up and running, I've been promising for the longest. I know I'm not on here regularly like I normally am. I wanted to just show you my updated bedroom tour. You know, guys, I love switching it up, and actually I think it's fresh and new for you to switch it up. And wow, it's not that early anymore, but it's a little after 9, and I just love switching it up. So I thought I would show you because I finally got my newly awaited bedroom set. My last bed I got was about a year ago. I was trying to make it what I wanted, but it really wasn't what I wanted. So now I was able to get the bed and the whole set. So now I'm satisfied for a long time. And let's get to it. So welcome to my channel if you're new. I hope you stay and subscribe if it didn't say that, because I'm got all this stuff going on in my head because I have to run out and do some errands. And those of you who've always ridden with me, thank you. I love you guys bunches. So let's get to it. Hold on for the ride. Okay, guys, I am so excited to present my dream bed. Yes, guys, I've seen some of you with this same bed, and I've been wanting it and wanting it and wanting it. It is from Ashley Furniture, but I just didn't want the bed. I wanted the whole set. And you guys remember I had the bed about a year or so ago, and I presented it on here, and it was the same tuft bed, but it wasn't like this. It was, and I put the diamonds in there. You guys remember that? And I just wanted to wait until I could afford the whole entire set. Sorry, guys, got interrupted. But I wanted to wait until I was able to afford the whole entire set. So now I am, and I'm back. I love, love, love diamonds. You guys know I do. I love the bling. So I was able to get the whole set, and I absolutely love, love, love it. And I was, of course, waiting for a deal, and that's what I got. So sorry, first of all, for all the shaking. And you guys know I love the bling. So this has the tough diamonds, as you can see. And I love, love, love the way it comes off. My bedding I got off of Amazon, I believe. And I love that. You know, I like white bedding, so I just switched it up a little bit. The pillows, some came from Marshall's, some came from Home Goods, and some came from Burlington. Yeah, so I love, love the pillows, and I just love to decorate my bed when I get out of it. The nightstands, I have two different kinds. This one has the diamonds in the side. This one actually goes with this particular set. And there is my remote control holder. I had that before. And these are some stone cup holders that I made, and I just put the back pads on them. And I had that before, my pineapple. That mirror, I love, love, love. I got that from Home Goods. And I'm looking for the other one to match the other side. But I also love my mosaic mirror that I made myself. But I want to find the other one to match that one over there. These lamps I love. And I got those off of Wayfair. They were about $142 for both of them. And they have a silk based, they're 32 inches high. That's what I like about them. And I love the little balls, and they are gray and white. Those two hanging flowers are something that I just recreated. I spray painted those white, and I put the diamonds in the center. I never throw anything away. I always just redo it with something. My curtain tie backs, I bought those on Amazon for like $2. And I just added some curtains, some newer curtains. Yeah, I'm just so loving my bedroom. This is what I dreamed of. And this is the dresser. It's sort of like my other one, but just a little more classier, if you ask me. A lot of the things are, pretty much the same thing. The handles are like the nightstand over there. It has the mirrors across the bottom. Unlike the other one that's in my guest room. You guys know I love candle holders. Those number signs I got from Hobby Lobby. I absolutely love those. I had the candles before. The mirrored mats, you guys know I made them myself. And the banner over top, I got that from Burlington, I believe. And made the candles myself as well. Now this table, the runners on this table I made myself. And this table, guys, I got this from Wayfair, just recently had it for about a month and a half, and I absolutely love this table. I love it. And I love it mostly because it matches my furniture and it has a functioning drawer. I love it. I've been looking for a fantastic mirrored table at an excellent price. I think I paid $250 for this table. And again, I love it because of the functioning drawer. Now, this shelf right here, my sister gave me as a Mother's Day gift, and it was plain. I bought the mirrors from off of Amazon and mirrored it out. The things on top of it I got from Burlington, because I just wanted it to go with my mirrored look in my room and the bling in my room, and it came out really, really nice. The pieces on the wall I got from Wayfair. They were already on there. The only thing that bums me out about the whole look on this wall, these pieces right here, guys, I got these from Ashley, and they were $25 a piece, but after the sale, I got each of them for $5. So again, the only thing that bums me out about this look are the wires on my TV. So I'm thinking about asking my landlord if I could put a hole in the wall and put them down through, and when I move, just clog up the hole. So I really, really love this look. My room is not that big, but it's not really small. So I like a lot of space. I like it to look spacey. And this side is where my sweetheart sleeps. And, a lot of times, not all men, but I'm a very neat person. So got to give him less room as possible. But these two mirrors right here I got from Walmart. Unfortunately, they were $29 when I went to go get them. When I first seen them, they were only $19.99, and they're very beautiful. They look very nice on the wall. And then my mosaic piece right there, which I want to replace with that mirror over there on that wall so it can match. But like I said, the nightstands do not match because it would have squished us in too much. But I found that one at the Ashley outlet, which has the same stonage as the other one in the handles. So it's a little smaller, but I like the way it looks. Yes. And it looks wonderful. And I found this little heavy piece in Ashley, and I think we paid like $6 for that after the discount. That is his remote control holder, and all I did was bling it out. He puts his little change and stuff on there, whatever, so it's not all over the table. I like a lot of order. So yeah, I like that. I really, really like the way the room comes out. I know it's a bit girly, and it's not mannish, but he likes it. So this used to be in my living room, and I took some spray paint on it, spray painted it gray, threw some flowers in it, and I think it looks rather beautiful sitting there. Those white pieces were already there, as well as the bowl up on the wall was already there. That mirror I got from Walmart, and I believe I paid $20 or $25 for it. My shoes are behind the door. As a woman, I have too many of them. And I have other ones inside. And I got some belts hanging right there. My sneakers there. And yeah, just try to make use of all the room that I do have. And master bathroom right behind there. And I love, love, love that mirror. So when you're getting dressed, you can see everything that's not right and what is right. And I love my ceiling fan that matches up the top. I am just really, really feeling the ambience of this room. Very, very comfortable. And that is my white elephant. Everybody knows I love elephants. There are 2 air fresheners down there, and my white vase, and my shaggy rug. And I have a white rug that sits over there. It's just got to dry now. So we're nearing the end of my video. I'm going to have you have a roundabout look at the room one more time. Let me know what were your favorite parts. I hope I've inspired someone, giving you some ideas of what you can do with your room to make it more comfortable. Just the little things can brighten up your room. Flowers. Doesn't always, you can mix colors. Doesn't have to be solids. Can always mix it up to brighten it up. Thank you guys for watching and supporting. Love you guys. Stay safe. Love on each other. Take care.